Hello loves, you are welcome to today's episode of eyebrow tutorial. Easy peasy eyebrow tutorial. After this video, you don't need to watch any other video to be able to get that perfect eyebrow. Today I'm gonna be making everything straightforward. Straightforward, simple, short, yet very informative. This is going to be the simplest and the best eyebrow tutorials you've ever come across. If you want to enhance, if you want to make an eyebrow like a pro, you want to learn new tips and tricks, you want to learn how to make an outstanding eyebrow, all you need to do is to take a chill pill, stick and stay, and keep watching to the end of this content. I'm also going to be dishing out a gift to you guys at the end of this video. I'm gonna start off by brushing and combing my eyebrow on an upwards motion and direction. Once that was done, I'm going to be using the same spoolie to reshape the comb eyebrow to be even and having a straight angle. Next, using a very sharp eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna be drawing out my eyebrow shape. When I get to the arc of my eyebrow, I now change the direction of the pencil to a downward direction. There are a lot of eyebrow shape out there. You can choose any of them depending on the type of your eyebrow and the shape of your eyebrow. At this point, putting my eyebrow pencil on the bridge of my nose, I'm determining the midpoint between my two eyebrows, which will aid me to know where my eyebrow should start. So I'm marking that I'm going to be drawing out the next eyebrow. So if you don't understand the first eyebrow, just watch the second one. You are going to be understanding everything very well. You make sure that the tip or the beginning of your two eyebrows are in line. One shouldn't be down and the other up. Everything should be in line, giving it that perfect outcome. Once I was okay with my desired shape, I'm going to be filling in, drawing hair-like strokes using a very light hand and a less pressure, using my eyebrow pencil. And in choosing the color of the eyebrow pencil to use, I wouldn't advise you to go for black color if you're a beginner. You can consider the color of your hair or the color of your eyebrow to help you choose the color of the eyebrow pencil to go for. So mostly brown color is good for we the chocolate skin type, So mine, for instance, it wasn't black, it was brown color. You must choose the right color pencil to get the best outcome of your eyebrow. If you make a mistake, clean and continue. Clean and start again. They say practice makes perfect. Next, using my spoolie, I'm gonna be combing and feather brushing the brow, making it look more natural and then blending it in better. So I'm gonna be combing it in the direction of the hair arrangement, and I'll be blending it in combing. Make sure the hair doesn't exceed the shape of the eyebrow. So once you are done combing, with the help of the spoolie, reshape the hair back into the eyebrow shape. Today, the gift I'm gonna be dishing out to you guys is a gem and it's a game changer. Unlike me, who doesn't like a lot of eyebrow hair, there are also a lot of people out there who wants to get much eyebrow hair. There are also a lot of people out there who are suffering from hair breakages. Their hair is not growing the way they desire. They want to grow their hair longer. Some men want to grow their beard. So any part of your body that you really want hair to grow, this remedy is going to work best for you. All you need to do is to keep watching to the end of this video. I'm gonna be telling you how to go about it. The results works like magic, guys. You can imagine. In this channel, in my videos, I try to give natural home remedies to my subscribers to make life better for them. So if you don't want to miss some of these remedies, kindly smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I think I'm okay with the shape now. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna be highlighting, contouring, sculpting, and cleaning up my eyebrow using LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. You could go for 1 shade lighter. So I'm gonna start off at the bottom of the eyebrow, and I'm gonna be cleaning and drawing out the shape of my eyebrow using the concealer and with the help of my angle brush. At this point, you need to be a bit careful so that you wouldn't mess things up. Just be careful. The most important thing is the outcome, okay? So focus on the outcome than the speed for now. So you're gonna be careful and just drawing it out. Once you are done, you move to the upper part. So with the upper part, there are 2 ways you could go by that. You can decide to use the same concealer to clean up and highlight the upper part of the eyebrow. You could also decide to go for your foundation. Both are okay depending on what you prefer. So you can use your concealer, or you could also use your foundation at the upper part, but the down part, it will be best to use a concealer. That works best. And I'm gonna be doing this for all the 2 eyebrow. Whilst we are highlighting and cleaning our eyebrow, let's quickly continue with our discussion. As I was saying earlier on, for hair growth, I have a bunch of remedies. So today I'm gonna be giving out 1 remedy. In my subsequent videos, I'll be bringing the other ones. Yeah, I was able to grow my hair from this to that in less than a year. With the help of these same remedies, I was able to grow this bald spot right here into this. I think that is okay, right? This is enough evidence. So my remedies are going to work. They are going to work. So just subscribe to the channel, stick and stay. That's all. So all you need is, for today I'm going to be sharing 1 ingredient, which is anil. Is it anil or onion? Any anil, onion, whether anil or onion, there is new. Okay, anil, onion. Okay, so you need an anil. Okay, so all you need to do is to blend the anil, making sure that you squeeze or you extract the juice of the blended anil. Mix it with coconut oil. That's all you need. Okay, if the problem is your hair, you make sure you apply it on your scalp. I'm not saying your hair, let it touch your scalp. Okay, if it is your eyebrow, you apply it on your eyebrow morning and evening. If you want it to work faster, make it morning and evening. So if it is your beard, for my guys friend, okay, you apply it on your chin, it's gonna grow. Okay, back to makeup. I think I'm okay now. So I'm going to be blending and spreading the concealer with the help of my brush evenly around the eyebrow. Back to natural remedy. It's gonna grow, but I'll be coming up with more remedies, so just stick and stay. That's the most important thing. So that's all you need. I think it's easy peasy. I think it's easy peasy life remedy. I think it's easy peasy remedy, right? Yeah, you bab. Okay, all we can no play. Guys, don't mind me. Okay. So let's go back to our makeup and complete it. At this point, I'm still blending. So you need to take time. I've realized one thing in makeup: the more time you spend on the makeup, the more perfect it comes out. But if you're in a rush or you have little time to make up, most at times it's always okay, but it can be compared to a makeup that you've been given enough time to work on. So I feel like the more you spend time on it, the better it becomes. You're able to correct all mistakes and make it better. Okay, that's one thing I've realized. And so take your time, blend it better, So take your time, blend in better, blend in louse. I think it is giving, right? It's already looking nice. I'm loving it already. And at this point, you could pause. I mean, you're good to go. You just go ahead and do your full coverage makeup, and that is it. But there is a game changer I'm gonna be showing you. At this point, you can decide to stop. At this point, it is okay. At this point, it is good to go. At this point, it is check. But I want to take you to a different level, okay? I want to take you to a more higher level, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna be doing something different here. This is the game changer. This is going to make your eyebrow look different among others. You get it? So all you need to do is to make sure you get a very flat brush. Mine was flat, but I realized it wasn't that flat, okay? Make sure you get a very flat brush. Take a little bit of the concealer. You're going to be creating a hairline strokes on the eyebrow towards the direction of your hair. The part of your eyebrow towards the center of your face. You create those strokes there. That's towards the direction of your eyebrow hair. So you're going to be creating those lines. Once you are done, you're going to be using the spoolie to further blend that concealer or foundation in. And I think it looks a bit nicer than previously what everybody used to do. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll be coming your way soon with much pills, Yeah, so bye bye.